Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the light so it performs reliably. Plug the supplied cable and charge 2 to 3 hours. The LED indicates when full. Once done, inspect the silicone shell for any tears and make sure the USB port cover is closed to protect from moisture. Now press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until the blue LED appears. This confirms the electronics are awake. Make sure to place the light on a flat surface, while you configure modes to avoid accidental resets. You next configure how the light behaves so it suits the room. Use a single short press to cycle steady, breathing, and color cycle modes. Each mode changes how the LED drivers pulse power for different effects. To change brightness, long press the same button. There are 3 levels that reduce power and extend battery life. Once done, double press to toggle the auto-off timer and choose 15, 30, or 60 minutes. This saves battery and ensures safe overnight use. Make sure to test each setting before final placement. You finish by positioning and caring for the light to preserve performance. Place the Panda on a stable, dry surface and avoid direct sunlight or heaters that can deform silicone and stress the battery. Clean with a damp cloth only. Do not submerge the unit even if splash resistant. If the light is unresponsive, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a reset, then recharge fully and retry. If problems persist, make sure the port cover was sealed and check the cable, or try another USB source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.